Alright, today I'm going to be showing you how to crimp a Keystone jack with the Keystone crimper. Alright, so we have our Cat 5e here, so I'm going to use my scissors and I'm going to go ahead and score the wire here, being careful not to go too deep. Then I'm going to go ahead and there. Alright, cut this off. Now, every technician has their own technique, but we are going to be using pin B. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but we're going to be, the orange pairs are on the upper right, brown is on the upper left, blue is on the bottom left, and green is on the bottom right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sort these wires and where they're going to correlate with that Keystone jack. So as if I'm looking at it like this, I got my orange, got my brown, got my blue. Oh, just kidding here. Hold on. Gotta swap these. So they're gonna go in like that. So first I unravel the wires. Now the orange and white, it's gonna be on the right, that's gonna be on the left. Same thing with the brown. White and brown is on the right, solid brown is on the left. But for here, on the bottom, green is on the right, white green is on the left. And same thing with the blue. So I position my wires where they're gonna go. Then I slide the wire in. I'm not trying to really get the wires into each slot yet, but I'm just trying to do that right there because I like to have that shielding as close as I possibly can. So once I get that in there, then I position the wires to their slots. And again, this every technician has their own technique on how to do this. This is just how I like to do it. Oh, let's get that green out of there. That's supposed to go. There we go. Now we're getting it. Yeah, there we go. So once I get my wires pretty much in the slot there, then I know I'm good to go. I'm going to take my crimper, and there's two little slots here. Slides in just like that. Then there we go. Everything looks good. Looks like all the wires are in the right spot. Then I take my little cover, put that on. Then this is ready to go into a patch bay. All right, there you go, everybody. Good luck.